Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before we continue, like us to like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at question number 9 from 2023 June WASSCE Core Mathematics Examination. And it says, this is a table that has height in meters and numbers of trees. And it says, the table shows the height of a thick trees harvested by a farmer. A. Find the median height. B. Calculate correct to one decimal place the mean. II. Standard deviation. So from this table, we are going to tabulate another table that will be able to find the mean of this tree harvested. So we have solution. So this is the height, which is x, and this is number of tree, which is f. And also we have here, so from here the height, the first one is 3, the number of tree 4, so we have the next one is going to be f times x. So let's fill in this side. Here we have 4, we have 5, we have 6, 7 and 8. So for here, under 4 we have, under 5 we have 4, under 6 we have 5, under 7 we have 6, under 8 we have 2. So it's going to be this way. So here 3 times 4 we have 12, then 4 times 6 we have 24, 5 times 4 we have 20, then 6 times 5 we have 30, 7 times 6 we have 42, then 8 times 2 we have 16. So the summation of this, the summation of fx, if you add all this, we are going to have 144. Here we add all this, we are going to have 27. So now the next one that we are going to find is the accumulative frequency. So that is the accumulative frequency. Then we have the next one is the mean, x minus the mean squared. Then we have the next column, we have f times into x minus the mean squared. So this is what we're going to have. For here, the accumulative frequency, we are going to add all this. So we bring add 4 here. 4 plus 6, we have 10. Then 10 plus 4, we have 14. Then 14 plus 5, we have 19. Then 19 plus 6, we have 25. Then 25 plus 2, we have 27. These are the columns that we need to fill, but before we can fill this, we need to find the mean so that we'll be able to put and subtract so that we'll be able to have this. So for B, it says find the median height. The median equals to n all over 2. So our n is the total number of trees, which is, this is equals to 27 all over 2. It's the same thing as 13.5. So for the median height equals to, for 13.5, how do we find that? These are the numbers of 3 up to 27. So we have 4. If you add this 6, we have 10. You have this thing, we have 14. So we said it's 13.5. So the median height is, before we reach 14, we have 13.5. So it's going to be 5. So the median height is 5 meters. So this is 5 meters because the tree is measured in meters. So the median height is 5 meters. Now the next one is the mean, which is II. Mean, the mean, which is x bar, equals to the summation of this fx, which is 144, summation of fx all over summation of f. So this is the same thing as mean equals to 144 all over 27. 144 all over 27. So when we divide this, it's going to give us 5.33. And it says correct to one place of decimal. If you correct to one place of decimal, we are going to have 5.3. So this is the mean. Then for us to fill in this place, we have x minus mean all squared. So x here is 3. It's going to be 3 minus mean, which is 5.3 all squared. So this is 3 minus 5.3 is going to be minus 2.3 squared. If we square this, we are going to have 5.4289. No, the square of minus 2.3. So we fill in here 5.4289. So the next one is frequency times this. Our frequency is 4. So if we multiply 4 times 5.4289, we are going to have 21.7156. So the next one, we use the same method. When we have here, for this place, we put in what we have x. Example, we have 4 minus the mean, which is 5.3 all squared. So 4 minus 5.3, we are going to have minus 1.3 all squared. This is equals to, we are going to put it here, and this is equals to 1.768 9. And if we multiply the frequency, which is 6 times 1.7689, we are going to have 10.6134. So the same thing applicable. So we are going to have this. So if we use the same method that we used there, we insert the value of x and subtract it from the mean, and this is what we are going to have to fill in the spaces in the table. So now the next one is to have the summation of this frequency times x minus mean all squared. So we have to sum 21.7156, 10.6134, 0.4356, 2.2445, 16.7334, 14.2578. When we sum that, we're going to have 66.0003. 66.0003. So that is what we are going to have, and we are going to use this to calculate the standard deviation. So let's clean this side. So our next question says we should calculate the standard deviation. So from this table, our standard deviation SD equals to summation of f into x minus mean all squared all over summation of f, that is the square root of this. So we are going to substitute this. The summation of this is 60. So we have standard deviation equals to square root of 66.0003 all over 27, which is summation of the frequency, which is 27. So this is the same thing as if we calculate this, we have square root of 2.445. So this is what we are going to have. Therefore, our standard deviation equals to, when we point this, we are going to have 1.5635. But the question says calculate correct to one place of decimal. So this is not one place of decimal. We are going to have 1.6. So the standard deviation is 1.6. This is one place of decimal of that solution. So that is the answer. We have this as 1.6, and it solves the problem. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics like this. Thank you.